Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can import custom team builder in Dynasty in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. So first of all, if you don't know how to download a custom school, for that you need to go to create and share, go to download center, and right here, you're gonna see the schools tab. You can simply select the school you would like to use. You can also press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to look for the specific school you would like to download. You can basically search it by keyword, or you can also enter the username. So just simply you have to select the school you would like to download, or simply you have to select the team you would like to download. Select the option download, and that will able to download that particular team or school. Now once the downloading is done, just get back from this window, and now in order to use that for our dynasty, we need to go to dynasty option, select the option start. Now here we need to turn off the active roster option and simply select the option continue. You can see we have the option import team builder here, so select that. Here on this window we need to select a team to replace, so you can press LT or L2 in order to basically filter it out. I'm gonna go with week 12, and I'm gonna replace my custom school with this one. So simply select it, then we're gonna see our custom school we have downloaded. So simply select that, select yes, use the team builder roster, and you can see we have successfully replaced our custom school with the existing one. So now we just need to back out. Now our team is added on the roster, so we can simply go ahead and select our team. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to import custom team builder in Dynasty in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.